Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at the Multichain Web3 Toolkit demo for Unity WebGL based games. This is a toolkit for an SDK which offers easy to use APIs to add Web3 to any existing or newly built Unity based game. Suppose Ethereum, Flow, Aptos, and Sui wallets. MetaMask, Blockto, and Petra are currently supported as well as the Sui wallet. Provides an easy to use interface to integrate more wallets as well in the future. Supports APIs such as fetch wallet balance, sign message, interaction with different chain transactions, and smart contracts. So let's look at how it works. This is a sample UI which is provided in this SDK, and it comes inside the Unity folder as a package. So I can just click connect, and it asks us to select one of those wallets. So we can go ahead with MetaMask. Once we connect with MetaMask, we can do get balance. So once we click on get balance, it'll fetch the balance from the blockchain, and the balance will be updated in the UI. We can also see the success event, which is thrown by the SDK and can be read to add interactions in the Unity game. We can also do sign message and interact with smart contracts. So let's first do sign message. So I click on sign message, does shows us signature request with a sample string which we had passed, and this is the message that it shows. So I can just click sign and it shows success. Okay. Same thing with interact with smart contracts. We have a dummy transaction integrated. Once I click on interact with smart contract and select Ethereum, it'll open that transaction request, and we can select confirm or reject. Since this is a dummy transaction, we can just click reject, and the same error event is thrown in the Unity game, which can be read by the game developers to add further interactions. Now let's check how it works with the other wallets. Okay. Let's try the Block2. So the Block2 is a wallet for Flow blockchain. Just click on Block2, and it has connected the Block2 wallet, which was authenticated previously. I can just click get balance, and it gets the balance of that authenticated account. We can also do interact with smart contract or sign messages as we had done with Ethereum. So let's try sign message. Signature request. We just click approve, and we can see the success messages appear. These can be read inside Unity, and further interactions can be added. And same thing with interaction with smart contracts. Just click here and select flow, and we can see the data is being fetched from that cadence script that we had provided. So this is all for the multi-chain Web3 toolkit demo, and there is a lot to be added as well in the future, including further wallets, and it provides a whole easy to use interface to add Web3 to any existing or newly built Unity game, which will be run on the browser as a WebGL build. Thank you.